and welcome back. It's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This is the channel called That's Shakespeare Life. This is the place where we explore the real life and history of William Shakespeare. That's all the fun things that happened between 1564 and 1616 or thereabouts. Sometimes we jump over a little bit into the mid 1600s and a little bit back, but that's where we try to stay, is Shakespeare's lifetime. In our Wednesday series called Weird Word Wednesday, we unpack some of the strange words that you'll encounter from Shakespeare's plays. Because let's be honest, Shakespeare's language is older than what we speak today, and a lot of the words just don't make sense. And so in this series, we identify some of those words and we explain them to you, both what they mean and the history behind them, so that when you encounter them in Shakespeare's plays, his plays can be that much more fun for you as they were intended to be, which just makes sense, right? If you're excited to increase your Shakespeare vocabulary and learn some new words along with us, then subscribe to the channel because I'm here every week with brand new words from Shakespeare's plays. This week, we're exploring the word gibbet and gibbet maker as a connection to that word, which show up in Shakespeare's plays at least 6 times, including in Titus Andronicus, when the clown says, "Oh, the gibbet maker, he says that he hath taken them down again, for the man must not be hanged till the next week." A gibbet, as you might guess from the context here, is another word for a gallows, or a place where people were hanged as part of public execution. This form of punishment was widely used in Shakespeare's lifetime and well before. In fact, if you'd like to know about public executions and how that happened, we have a podcast episode all about that topic. I'll link to you below this video. Interestingly, there is no real connection between the word gibbet and the word flibbertigibbet, which also gets used in Shakespeare's plays, other than that they both have a negative connotation. If you'd like to explore the negative connotation for flibbertigibbet and how it was used in the 15th and 16th century, we have another Weird Word Wednesday episode. I'll link you to that below this video as well. So there you go. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Cassidy Cash, and I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.